Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Real quick, I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys. I appreciate you more than you know. And I appreciate any of you who come by to check out my content on knives and EDC. If you like it and you'd like to further support the channel, if you just hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, it'll help me out and it'll also notify you when I release new content and go live and make other community posts and crap like that. Today we have a very cool, unique battle axe that we're going to unbox from White Mountain Knives. We're going to use my little Amazon unboxing knife to get into this. And I saw this. Guys, you know, I'm kind of a knife addict. I buy things that I don't necessarily need because I think they're really cool. And I thought this was really, really cool. I like my Midgards Messer stuff. I like my Rotuks, my little fixed blades that I've shown you guys. I think I did a review on those, the small S30V knives. When I saw this, I did not think it was going to necessarily be this small, but I'm even more stoked that it is this small because what Midgards Messer does that I like is they build outrageous shit, right? So this is outrageous in kind of another way, a whole nother level. And I first saw this, I think, on MC's channel, Metal Complex. I know you guys are subscribed over there. If not, definitely check out Metal Complex. But guys, this is a little battle hatchet with a clip, titanium handles, D2 blade. It's got this really unique, this is a sheath, right? So this is a pocket clip right here. And I'll do a review on this because I think it deserves one. But it's got this little gear right here that you switch down, but the knife still doesn't just fall out because it's magnetic. You've got 3 magnets here that hold this little guy, this little tiny finger battle axe that's super sharp, that's jimped all the way up the full tang spine, up to the blades. Now, I have got a medium, large size hand, right? So what this jimping does for me, for some of you guys, this probably you wouldn't even be able to have it for more than a curiosity. I could see this as being a package ripper. I could see this as being not an actual axe, right? I mean, I guess if you were going to use it as a knuck, you could, but I don't think that's its intention. For me, it was just that is too cool not to check out. But as a box opener, it's sharp. I really don't know how to run the blade because it's all belly, right? Very slashy. But yeah, guys, something that I thought is called the Noro Nano V2, and again in titanium. I think there's also one on White Mountain site that's G10, that's a little less expensive. I want to say this was around 160 bucks, which is a lot for this little hatchet knife axe thing. But again, for a collector, somebody that is addicted to kind of outrageous, crazy shit. Did you hear that? I know it's not detailed, but then you can just put your little nubbin up like that. Gives you extra attention. No rattly rattly. No rattly rattly even without the safety engaged there. But a little cool EDC tool. A very cool EDC tool. We'll go with that. Again, it's got a little lanyard or keychain doodad there. finally jimped all the way around. Again, guys, I'm a huge fan of bladed objects. When I see something that's outrageous and within reach, to me, that's part of the hobby. That's part of the coolness of what we collect, right? I could try this clip. I don't know if it would go internally. Let's see. I guess you'd wear it with the axe facing out. Yeah, I mean, it's a real stiff clip. I don't know how that would work out. But again, this is not for me to carry on my belt. I wouldn't think. I might figure out a way to utilize that clip, but I could see it in a bug out bag. I could see it as a conversation piece. I could see it as just a really cool item if you're a collector. And unfortunately, I'm kind of a collector at this point. Didn't start out that way, but has rapidly become that way. And I think this is very, very cool. I don't know how comfortable I'd feel hard cutting, but again, the jimping runs all the way up to where that sharpened edge is. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it runs all the way up to where that sharpened edge is. Very tight jimping all the way around. And I can just admire it as a piece of sharp art, as a kind of a, yeah, but I bet you don't have a tiny axe, you know, kind of thing. That's kind of why I got it. But anyways, guys, I hope you found the video enjoyable. I know I'm kind of nuts, but I brought it in because, again, it'll stay in my collection. I buy crazy things that are sharp. They make me happy, and I kind of let you guys know on how they make me feel. So how does this make me feel so far? And I've just gotten it. This is just an unboxing. I dig it. Is it something that I would recommend people run out and get because you need it? No, not at all. But if you collect crazy sharp things, this is a well-made crazy sharp things by Midgards Messer. Metal Complex brought it to my attention in one of his unboxings. And when I saw that it was available at White Mountain Knives, grabbed it, used my Javon 10 code to save 10%. You guys can also, on any White Mountain Knives purchase, use the Javon 10 code. It'll just save you 10%. You don't have to use that code. There are a bunch of other codes out there. It's a cool little axe, guys. Knife, package opener, conversation piece. I appreciate all of you guys taking the time to watch the content. I love each and every one of you. This will be downloaded on a Monday, so tonight at 9:15 Central Time. If you're watching this, come over to Pocket Metal's channel, and Metal Mondays will be going on. I'll be showing off some other stuff that's come in this week, last week. It's been kind of crazy, mail call type day, and might stage some of these out a little bit, but might keep flooding the interwebs with them this evening because I've got a couple more. I love you all. I appreciate you watching. All I ask is if you'll please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.